Hey guys, please watch my video till end because the quality content which I will provide you will be priceless and very useful to you. It might change your life, so I don't think you will skip my video. So let's start the powerful video. If you have certain health difficulties or diseases, it is absolutely necessary to speak with a healthcare expert or a trained dietitian in order to receive individualized guidance. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. On the other hand, I am able to share some broad information regarding the reasons why certain individuals should perhaps consider avoiding eggs due to frequent health concerns. 1. What are allergies? An overview of allergies. There is a rather high incidence of egg allergy, particularly among youngsters. The immune system is responsible for the allergic reaction that happens when it recognizes proteins in eggs as being dangerous. Symptoms. Note: hypersensitivity reactions can range from mild to severe, and they can manifest themselves in a variety of ways, including hives, digestive disorders, respiratory problems, and even anaphylaxis sometimes. A note from management. It is imperative that those who suffer from egg allergies abstain from consuming any and all items and sources that include eggs. A careful reading of food labels is really necessary. Regarding cholesterol and the health of the heart. An overview. For a considerable amount of time, there was apprehension over the impact that eggs have on the health of the heart due to their high cholesterol content. Suggestions. Individuals who have high cholesterol or cardiovascular concerns may be recommended to limit their egg consumption. This is despite the fact that certain research suggests that dietary cholesterol may not have as substantial of an impact on blood cholesterol levels as was previously believed. It is of the utmost importance to take into account personal health state as well as general eating patterns. 3. Salmonella contamination. Overview. Eggs that are raw or undercooked expose consumers to the possibility of salmonella contamination, which can result in food poisoning. Suggestions. In order to lessen the likelihood of contracting salmonella, it is recommended that eggs be cooked fully, that neither raw nor lightly cooked eggs be consumed, and that proper food safety procedures be followed in the kitchen. 4. Ethical or environmental concerns. Overview. Some people opt to abstain from eating eggs because they are concerned about the way that laying hens are treated, the influence that eggs have on the environment, or whether they are ethically motivated. Alternative. Recipes can be modified to use plant-based alternatives, such as tofu, lentils, or egg substitutes that are available for purchase in the marketplace. Regarding the digestive system, the following is an overview. Following the consumption of eggs, some individuals may develop discomfort in the digestive tract, bloating, or gas. A note from management. It is possible that this is the result of an intolerance or sensitivity. In order to identify potential triggers, it may be helpful to experiment with various cooking methods, such as thoroughly cooking eggs, and closely observe the reactions that occur. Eggs are a nutrient-dense food that provide high-quality protein, vitamins, and minerals. It is essential to keep this fact in mind. For individuals who do not have any particular health concerns, eggs can be a component of a diet that is both balanced and healthy. Whenever you are looking for personalized advice that is based on your specific health state and requirements, you should always consult with a healthcare professional. Like, share, subscribe and comment.